we started with simple frames. Yung bed na tinodrawing natin dyan, yan yung paborito kong bed na parati kong ginagawa sa mga illustrations. Pag may mga pauses na ganyan, typically I do have some shouts with our audience. So maraming audience kasi during the time of the pandemic. I think this is December bago magpasko, 2021. Okay. Yung nakikita nyo na ano dito, na parang mga maliliit na circle, those were the markings para malaman ko kung aligned siya with the vanishing point. Tapos kung may mapapansin kayo na parang meron akong tinuturo parate, di ba after ko mag-drawing, meron akong tinuturo na parang points. Yun yung vanishing point natin. So we do have one on the left and one at the medyo gitna nung tapat nung bed. Bali. So we're working right now with the clutter in the floor, tapos ang ating carpet rug. Mamaya lalagyan natin yan ng texture bali. Okay? You see a subdivision, sinisubdivide natin yung mga elements somehow. Give a clear picture kung ano yung direction ng bawat plates. So mostly mga detalye na yung nilalagay natin dito, some lights over the ceiling or under the ceiling of course. And we do have, what else?